Welcome back to another SoCal Lawn & Order video. I'm excited to say that this year is going to be my first time that I'm going to try and do a summer series so I can help those of you with cool season lawns on the west coast keep your green grass going throughout the summertime. I'm going to show you the products that I use and the manner in which I use them. By no means am I saying I'm the expert at it. I'm just a DIY guy just like the rest of us here. I follow the labels and that's how I'm going to do it this year. I'm going to start off by doing the videos on grub control, and then followed by measuring, actually raising the height of my lawn in preparations for summertime. I'm going to show you what I use instead of hydrotain to help keep the moisture on my soil and in my turf. I'm going to go over how I irrigate my turf, and I'm also going to show you how I do and what I do for my preventatives for disease. So I hope you enjoy the series this summer. I hope you would like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you leave a comment down below so that way I can respond back to you and do more things of what you like to see done. With that said, I hope you enjoy the summer series. When I put the videos out, that's when it's going to be go time for you to actually put that application down if you choose to follow along. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the summer series.